Somebody mention birds? Hey there buddies, and welcome back to the channel once again. And today we have a video of a Greater Flameback Woodpecker having a good old preen. But I will apologise for the lighting in this one. The lighting conditions were terrible, so the background looks, well, it's really blown out and overexposed. But the bird itself and the tree, well, they look fine. Let me know what you think. So, as I say, this is just a video today of the Greater Flameback just preening and calling a few times throughout the playback. Well, anyway, with this one, I'm not going to talk on this one. I'll just let you sit back and enjoy 4 minutes of a woodpecker and watch right to the end, because there was a real surprise. Well, again, this was a real surprise. Just as I finished filming the woodpecker, we were on the way back down the track and quite far off in the distance, so this is zoomed in again, terribly blown out and overexposed sky, but I thought it was worth putting in because this is such a fantastic find. This is a mountain hawk eagle. Not a common bird to see by any means. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget like, comment, subscribe and all of that. And don't forget you can now join the channel just to help support a little bit. If not, don't worry, just enjoy what we have. Anyway, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.